Hey everyone, this is Vicky, and today I'm showing you the origami. I'm not sure if it's origami or origami, but I'll say origami. Correct me if I'm wrong. The 2018 desk calendar. It's a page a day color calendar for 2018. I took it out the box already. The box is, your typical desk box right here. Let me tell you what the ISBN number is since I have it right here with me. ISBN number is 978-07611-93920. The price is $14.99 in the USA and $19.99 in Canada. If you shop around, you can get it for a cheaper price. Or please see the link in my description for a place where you can purchase it for a cheaper price. And if you purchase from them, I'll get a commission. So I thank you in advance for doing that. Okay, so I've taken the desktop calendar out of the box, and I want you just to see how it looks. On the back side, it comes with the origami symbols. I think it's a key. It's an origami key. So you open that up, and it opens up full size. So you can, I won't open it up all the way because I don't want to just crush it and somebody else is gonna get this. All right, that's how the back looks, just like your typical desktop calendars there. Let me scroll through some of the pages so you can see a little bit what's in here. But every day of the year, you'll be able to do one of the origamis. So it has over 300 projects to fold, and Workman Publishing Company sells this product. So if you want this, I'll have the link in my description for you to purchase this. I thank you for watching. Any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thank you and have a great day.